Welcome, boys and girls of grade 5 to yet another math session. Today, we are eager to continue learning about sets. But before we go into today's lesson, let us examine the homework from the previous lesson. Have you done your homework? I sure hope so. Section A. Now for Section A, you had to list 4 members of each of the following sets. Number 1, a set of the names of fishes. A set of fishes. Now there are many fishes out there. So if you would have given names like butterfish, shark, houri, herring, among many others, that would be correct. Remember, we're listing members, so you must start with an open curly bracket and you must end with a closed curly bracket and separate each member using commas. Now, number 2, a set of water mammals. Again, you were told to list 4 members. So let's list the names of 4 mammals that dwell in the water. We can have dolphin, seal, otter or water dog as we commonly call it, and we can also have whale. Remember, always separate your members with commas. Number 3, a set of colors of the rainbow. A set of colors of the rainbow. Now we know that the rainbow or spectrum has 7 colors. So you can give any 4 of those 7 colors. You can have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, or violet. Any 4 of those 7 colors. Now, Section B, list all the members of the following sets. List all the members of the following sets. Now here, you have to be very specific. Number 1, A is a set of even numbers less than 12. A is a set of even numbers less than 12. So, the even numbers less than 12 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Remember to write them in curly brackets and separate them with commas. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Number 2, B is a set of the first 7 letters of the English alphabet. B is a set of the first 7 letters of the English alphabet. Now, the first 7 letters of the English alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now the last set that you have to list the members of is set C. C is a set of the first 5 prime numbers. C is a set of the first 5 prime numbers. Now the members of set C are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. The final section, section C. Describe the following sets. Describe the following sets. Number 1, Q equals 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Q equals 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now, how are we going to describe set Q? We can say that Q is a set of odd numbers from 7 to 15. Q is a set of odd numbers from 7 to 15. Or you may say Q is a set of odd numbers between 5 and 17. Number 2, describe set S. Set S equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a description of set S is a set of the first 5 whole numbers. S is a set of the first 5 whole numbers. And the last thing that you had to do for homework, children. Number 3, describe set T. Describe set T. Set T equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Set T equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So a description of set T can be, T is a set of multiples of 5 from 5 to 30. T is a set of multiples of 5 from 5 to 30. Or we can say T is a set of the first 6 multiples of 5. T is a set of the first 6 multiples of 5. One more description you can give to that set T, and we may have others, would be T is a set of numbers of the first 6 numbers that are divisible by 5. T is a set of the first 6 numbers that are divisible by 5. So children, that brings us to the end of your homework for the last lesson, and we're now going into our topic for today. Welcome back, grade 5 pupils. I am Teacher Dacia Hill, and I'm here to bring you some more great information about sets. So we're here to learn and work together. Today, we will define the term equal sets, define the term equivalent sets, and we are also going to distinguish between equal and equivalent sets. So our topic for today is equal and equivalent sets. Let us dive right into our lesson. Let's first take a look at equal sets. What are equal sets? Equal sets have identical members. Again, equal sets have identical members. That is, exactly the same members and the same number of members. Let's take a look at the pair of sets, set A and set B. Why do you think set A is equal to set B? Absolutely correct, children. Both set A and set B have the same members. They are identical. Both sets have 3 blue triangles. So it therefore means that set A is equal to set B, and we can also say that set B is equal to set A. Here is another example for you. Look at the sets, set C and set D. Are sets C and D equal? Yes, sets C and D are equal because they have exactly the same members. Therefore, set C is equal to set D, and likewise, set D is equal to set C. Children, remember, when we look at equal sets, the order in which the members are written does not matter. So if we go back to sets C and D, we would recognize that in set C, the members are W, X, Y, Z. In set D, the members are Y, W, Z, and X. Now, they do have identical members. It's just that those members are arranged differently. So they are equal sets. Now that you understand equal sets, let us move on to equivalent sets. Equivalent sets have the same number of members. Equivalent sets have the same number of members. The symbols for equivalent to are, these symbols mean equivalent to. Let's take a look at the 4 sets given here. We have set Y, set W, set X, and set Z. Pupils of grade 5, how many members are in each set? Did you say 6 members? You are absolutely correct. There are 6 members in each set. It therefore means that sets W, X, Y, and Z are equivalent because they have 6 members each. We can say, or we can write it like this, set W, we put the symbol that means equivalent to set X. So set W is equivalent to set X. Children, look at these 2 sets. We have set M equals red, yellow, blue. And we also have set N equals blue, yellow, red. Are sets M and N equivalent? Yes, they are. Are sets M and N equal? Yes, they are. All equal sets are equivalent. All equal sets are also equivalent sets. But not all equivalent sets are equal. All equal sets are equivalent, but not all equivalent sets are equal. If we go back to sets Y and Z, we will see that those 2 sets, they both have 6 members, but their members are different. They are not identical. So sets Y and Z are equivalent. They are not equal, but they are equivalent. If we go back to sets M and N, right here, we will see that those 2 sets are equal because they have identical members. Those members are arranged differently in each set, but they are still identical. So sets M and N are perfect examples of sets that are both equal and equivalent. You are doing a wonderful job, children of grade 5. Now we have come to the end of this lesson, equal and equivalent sets. Let's recap. Two or more sets with identical members are said to be equal. Two or more sets with identical members are said to be equal. Remember, the key word there is identical. They must be exactly the same members. Another point to note is that two or more sets with the same number of members are equivalent. Two or more sets with the same number of members are equivalent. Also, remember children, all equal sets are equivalent sets also because they have the same number of members. All equal sets are equivalent sets also because they have the same number of members. Like always, grade 5, here is your homework activity. Write equal or equivalent for the following pairs of sets. Write equal or equivalent for the following pairs of sets. Had a wonderful time here today, and see you next time. For the next lesson, we will continue to look at sets. Bye-bye for now. Have a blessed rest of the day.